Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, where we simplify the world of cybersecurity one byte at a time. Today, we're diving into the top 5 entry-level cybersecurity certifications. You've probably heard about certifications like Security Plus, CEH, and others, but what do they actually teach you, and are they worth it? The short answer? Yes, stick around as we break them down and explain what you'll learn from each one. First up, CompTIA Security Plus, the foundation of cybersecurity. Think of Security Plus as the driver's license for cybersecurity. It covers a wide range of topics to give you a solid foundation in the field. What you'll learn: network security, how networks function and how to secure them, threats and vulnerabilities, the different types of cyber attacks and how to defend against them, cryptography, the basics of encryption and how it protects sensitive data, risk management, identifying and minimizing risks to systems and data. This cert is perfect if you're starting from scratch or transitioning into cybersecurity from another field. It's also vendor neutral, meaning you're not tied to a specific company's products or tools. Next, Certified Ethical Hacker, CEH. Learn to think like a hacker. CEH is all about understanding the mindset of a hacker. It focuses on how cybercriminals find vulnerabilities so you can stop them before they cause damage. What you'll learn: penetration testing, how to ethically hack systems to uncover weaknesses, reconnaissance techniques, methods hackers use to gather information about a target, exploitation, understanding common exploits like SQL injection and buffer overflows, tools of the trade hands-on experience with tools like Metasploit and Nmap. If you're passionate about offensive security, CEH is a great way to get started. It's like learning the dark arts, but for good. Finally, Cisco Certified CyberOps Associate, the SOC Starter. This certification prepares you for life in a Security Operations Center, SOC, the front line of defense in cybersecurity. What you'll learn: threat detection, how to monitor systems for suspicious activity, incident response, steps to take during and after a cyber attack, log analysis, understanding system logs and identifying red flags, network monitoring tools, hands-on experience with tools like Wireshark and Splunk. This cert is great if you're interested in defensive security and want to jump straight into monitoring and protecting systems. The ISC, Certified in Cybersecurity, CC, is one of the best starting points if you're completely new to the field. It's also free right now, which makes it a no-brainer for beginners. What you'll learn: security basics, fundamental concepts like confidentiality, integrity, and availability, CIA triad, access control, how to ensure only authorized users can access systems, incident response basics, what to do when something goes wrong, risk management, identifying and mitigating potential threats. This cert is designed to help absolute beginners build a strong foundation and gain confidence as they start their cybersecurity journey. CySA Plus is the next step after Security Plus and focuses on the skills needed for cybersecurity analyst roles. It dives deeper into threat analysis and proactive defense strategies. What you'll learn: threat detection techniques, using data and tools to identify potential attacks, vulnerability management, finding and fixing weaknesses in systems, incident analysis, investigating and learning from past security events, threat intelligence, how to gather and use information about potential threats. If you're interested in working as a cybersecurity analyst, this cert is like a playbook for protecting organizations from attacks. So, why are these certifications worth it? Because they teach you the skills employers are looking for. Think of them as your roadmap into cybersecurity. Each certification offers a different focus. Security Plus gives you a broad foundation. CEH is for ethical hackers. CyberOps Associate is for monitoring and defending. Certified in Cybersecurity, CC, is the ultimate beginner's cert. CySA Plus prepares you for advanced analyst roles. The key is to pick the cert that aligns with your goals and interests. Remember, certifications are stepping stones. They won't make you an expert overnight, but they will get you noticed and help you start your career. Which certification are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more cybersecurity tips. Until next time, stay secure, stay curious, and keep learning. See you in the next video.